a workshop vac, a filter, and pool filter socks. What are these? I'm gonna tell you now. They will save you money, time and effort. So how does it work? Well, I bought these just for 6 quid. It's a filter of 10. And what you do, you take one. They have various sizes. So this one is kind of a thing, an average size, so that will do. You take your filter from your vacuum cleaner, you put it around, so not this way, this is where it's installed, but so from this side. Okay, just like this, and that's it, you're done. Your filter is now protected, I'm serious actually, from big particles getting into the filter. What you want to do, you want to save it for tiny particles. So all the big particles, big dust and other bits will actually stay here, and then you will be easy to kind of shake it off or dust it or whatever, and only the small particles will go inside, and that's where the filter really comes handy. So cleaning the filter is much quicker. You can just shake it off or remove this, and this is quite cheap, so even if you need to change it, you just change this. And as I said, it's 6 quid for the packet of 10 I managed to buy. You can use, you know, what do you call it, those tights that women wear, or whatever they are called in the region where you live, and then you just install it. So I have one installed here already, so it's very simple. So yeah, I'm serious, you know. Here you go, and that's it basically. So link to the one I bought below. Also, this is a good time to press the like button, and please use my links. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.